Hello, my name is Effert with NIDEK. Today I'm going to instruct you how to install the Medmont Meridia topographer, the Medmont Studio software, the license, and the calibration. So now I'm going to provide instruction how to install Medmont Studio 7. Please make sure that you check your computer meets or exceeds the basic requirements to run Medmont Studio 7. Also, please make sure that your computer is connected to the internet via wireless connection or LAN. Also, do not insert the blue USB cable into the PC until after software installation. So now you can go ahead and install or insert the Medmont Studio USB software key into your computer. In a few seconds, Medmont file will open. We're going to select Medmont Studio 7.2.8 and select Setup. And then click Yes. Setup Wizard, select Next. Accept the terms and the license agreement, and then Next. Next, and Install. Select Finish. At this point, the configuration will continue. Select your language, click OK. This is going to be a standalone single computer setup with no data sharing. If you have multiple licenses, you would select Server. Select Next. We're going to create a new database. Select Next. Next, Next, and Next. Here we're going to select Medmont Topographer. If you're utilizing any other Medmont devices, you can select that modality. Select Next, and then Finish. This may take several seconds to install and extract. Medmont Studio is now starting. The Medmont Studio license needs to be installed. We're going to install the license of Medmont Studio by selecting OK. We're going to select Manage. On your USB license key, we're going to go and select License Key. We're going to copy the license key number from here. By left click and hold, right click, copy, minimize, and paste. Click Install. License is now installed. Select Close and Close. Medmont Studio is not registered. Would you like to register Medmont Studio now? If you select Yes, you can enter in all your fields. Now we're going to select Configure, and we're going to calibrate the instrument. To calibrate the instrument, you must have the license or the serial number of the device. And that is found on the package that the USB drive was inserted into, or it's on the side of the topographer. Let's select OK. Does not have calibration. Click OK to import a calibration for the instrument. Select OK. We're going to go into Medmont under Calibration Files, and we're going to select the calibration file and select OK. As you can see, an error occurred while trying to install the topographer. Check that it is plugged in and has power. At this point, we're going to select OK. We're going to plug in the topographer, the blue USB cable into a 3.0 USB port, and then we're going to turn on the topographer. It has an amber color Light, that means it is off, but has power. Push it in. If it turns green, we are connected. We're going to calibrate the instrument by entering that serial number one more time. 1P. Let's put on that. And we're going to select OK. The calibration screen will open. As you can see, we have to capture 5 images at slightly minor locations. As you can see here, the calibration ball has the reflection of the rings from the topographer. There's a runway, and there's a crosshair at the top of that runway, close to the top. That crosshair needs to be in the center of the eye or model eye to calibrate or to take examinations on patients. As you move this in, the red line must bisect the crosshair to capture automatically. Select Next. Minor adjustments. Minor adjustments till it automatically captures. And next. And one more. Yeah. We're going to do a quick calibration. Click Next. As you can see, the current calibration error is 0.068%. Medmont recommends that instruments with an error greater than 0.15% should be recalibrated. We are within the parameters. We'll select Finish. Select Home, Portal Topographer. The default practice for this PC has not been set. Select OK and click on New. Add in the practice name and all the other required fields and select OK and close.
After installing the calibration file, you must set your instrument as the default. To do this, select Instrument Setup, scroll down till you see your serial number, and then click on Set as Default. If you don't do this, the software will keep asking you to confirm the serial number of the device when you turn it on or try to use it. The same goes for the name of the practice. So to change this, we're going to select Practice. Scroll down until you see Medmont and set as default.
Topographer is now ready to be used.
If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and please remember to subscribe for more great content from NIDEK. Thank you for watching.